Notion turns into an agent hub, the developer platform explained. Explain what Notion shipped with its developer platform, workers, external agent API, Notion MCP, why it matters for teams using multiple AI agents, and a practical workflow viewers can set up. Right now, most teams have AI everywhere and context nowhere. You have docs in Notion, tasks in another system, data in spreadsheets, and agents living in separate chat windows. So the agent doesn't know what the team knows, and the team can't track what the agent did. Notion's new developer platform is basically a bet that the workspace itself should become the operating layer for agents, assign them work, give them tools, and track progress like teammates. Notion describes 3 key building blocks. 1. Workers, which Notion says let you build deterministic, token-efficient tool logic that runs exactly as written, and your custom agent can call it. 2. External agents as workspace participants, the announcement specifically names partner agents like Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and Decagon as available out of the box. And 3. Notion MCP, a hosted server that lets MCP-capable AI tools connect to your Notion workspace over OAuth, so they can read and take action inside your pages and databases. The key idea is proximity. Agents work better when they're close to the data and decisions. If your project plan, customer notes, and operating dashboards live in Notion, then the agent hub living in Notion means the agent can use that context without copy-paste chaos. The platform framing also matters. Instead of hoping a generic chat assistant understands your business, you can build a tool that pulls your CRM data, validates a checklist, or runs a workflow, and expose it as a worker your agent can call. The simplest workflow that proves this concept is an agent queue. You create one Notion database with 4 columns: task, agent, status, and output. The human writes tasks. The agent reads the next task, produces an output, and writes back into the output field, plus a link to sources. Now you have shared visibility and a record of what the agent did. This is where Notion MCP matters. Notion's MCP guide shows a single hosted URL, https://mcp.notion.com/mcp, and examples for connecting tools like Cursor, Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, and Codex, so your agent can actually read and write inside the workspace. If you are going to let an agent touch your workspace, governance is the product. Notion MCP uses OAuth, and Notion notes it does not support bearer token authentication for fully headless access, which means many fully automated workflows will still need a human-in-the-loop authorization step. Notion also describes admin controls on enterprise plans to manage which AI tools and MCP clients are allowed. The operator takeaway is simple: start small, restrict scope, require review for rights, and build an audit trail before you scale. If you want to use this safely, do it in 3 phases. Phase 1, read only, let the agent summarize and answer questions from a Notion database. Phase 2, write back, let the agent write results into a dedicated output field, and require a human to approve anything that changes source of truth pages. Phase 3, tool actions, add one worker that does something deterministic, like validating inputs or syncing a dataset. If you can keep these boundaries, the workspace becomes a real agent hub instead of a risky automation free-for-all. My take: the agent hub idea is correct. Agents need persistent context, shared visibility, and a place to write results. Notion is a strong candidate because it's already where many teams store knowledge and operating dashboards. The risk is governance, permissions, OAuth, and safe write boundaries. Question for you: would you rather your agent hub live in Notion, or in your email/calendar suite where the actions happen?